How to find passwords on an Android phone. Now, when you use your Android phone, a lot of the apps and things will automatically save your password information, and you can easily find this. So go ahead and open up a Chrome app or browser. Click the three dots in the top right, scroll to the bottom and click on Settings, and then where it says Passwords and Autofill, click on Google Password Manager, and here you'll see a list of all the different websites that you've got a password for. So if you click on one, you may be asked to enter your lock screen. Go further, and there you can see the email address and your password. If you want to view your password, you need to click on the little eye icon. I'm not going to do that because it'll reveal my password. Not that anyone wants to go on Asda and use my information, but there you go. That's how you find passwords on an Android phone.